Hi guys, welcome to Desi Foodie Abroad. Today we will be making banana bread and it's my sister's favorite bread. So let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to my mom's channel. Click the like and subscribe button. So we're gonna take 4 ripe bananas. Mash the bananas with a fork. Take a bowl and add unsalted butter in it. Add sugar in the bowl and mix it well. Add 1 egg and mix it really well until it gets creamy. Now we will add the banana and mix it with the spatula. So we're going to take another bowl and we're going to add flour in it. Add baking soda. Add some salt. We're going to mix it well. We're gonna add vanilla essence in the wet mixture. We're going to mix it well and add the dry mixture. Mix it well. Line the baking dish with the paper. Grease it with oil and add the banana bread mixture. I like Nutella, so I'm gonna drizzle some on top. You guys can also put chocolate chips or walnuts on top. We're gonna use a toothpick to make a design on the banana bread. Preheat the oven at 385 degrees. We're gonna put the banana bread in the oven until it's done. Insert the toothpick inside the banana bread. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Try this recipe and share it with your friends and family. Give us a big thumbs up!